Hang on for the view from the top floor, it's panoramic and phenomenal. So we visited Wakayama Castle, November 2022 with the family. I'll see my beautiful wife, my older kid Marcus, and the youngest is Maxie. I really like this type of visit. We also go to another place which is more of a vacation spot. I wasn't as crazy about it, but this castle is built on a hill above the city of Wakayama. Due to its size and status, Wakayama Castle was ranked as one of the most important castles under the Tokugawa shogunate. The castle was designated a National Historic Site in 1931, and its Nishinomaru Garden was designated a National Place of Scenic Beauty in 1987. So you can see Wakayama Castle from every section of the city of Wakayama. It's built on a hill over the city, and it's absolutely beautiful. It's the White Castle that just overlooks the town. He'll see my kid is completely uncontrollable. That's not my fault, it's his mother's genes.
Oh, Marcus!
What? Maxie!
Yeah. No. No destroyed rocks. Stop that. No, they're just rocks.
Hi everyone, today we're going to see my dad chase Maxie. Let's see what they do. Maxie, hi to everyone. And this is the castle where we're going to. And in there I think I see a monkey. Oh no, it's just a
You gonna film?
Yeah.
You did really good. No, Maxie, that's the exit.
Is that exit? I think. Is that actually in or out?
What? Camera's on, Marcus, so you're filming the ground.
No, it's off.
No. That red button means it's on, see? So you gotta keep it even.
So Japan is still in the middle of the pandemic, so at the front of every store, station, restaurant, and location you'll see hand sanitizer. It has a good visitor, you're expected to use the hand sanitizer.
So.
It says a tiger.
Here we see small models of Wakayama Castle, the bare bones of Wakayama Castle, and you can see some of the clothes people in that time would wear.
Nope.
It's so old that they don't even have wheels.
No, people kill it.
Yeah, that's what I mean. They don't have wheels. That's how old it is.
It's kind of point to whatever's interesting. Kill it. Holy cow. Marcus, you see the samurai armor?
Check out these suits of armor. What we forget is that during the funeral of Japan, many people are much shorter than people are now. for all sorts of reasons, so the suit of armor are also much smaller than what a modern person could wear.
So Marcus, people think samurai didn't have guns, but look.
You also see examples of firearms, which Japanese people had at Wakayama Castle during that period, and we forget because of movies and because of literature and writing that they did have firearms in Japan as well. Firearms were invented by the Chinese, so it wasn't a mystery today to the Japanese.
Shoot rocks is called the slingshot. Oh, that's cool. He's ready to go upstairs. Let's go this way and then we'll go upstairs.
A fish.
So what are these? What are these?
I see an oni head. I see a river. I don't know what that's supposed to be, or that one, or what. That kind of looks like a flower. This is the head of a dragon. That's the tail. That's the head, and that's the tail. That's it. What it looks like all together.
So these are to decorate the tops of the roofs.
Japanese say when the koi fish climbs up the waterfall, it turns into a dragon to bless everyone, or something like that.
I didn't know that. No, Max, you can't ride in there.
I feel like once a year when it's Children's Day, one koi fish has to climb up the great, like, I don't know, like waterfall, and then when it, and the one that reaches the top turns into a dragon.
Wow.
I have no idea how that works.
Say hello.
Hi. Say hello.
Oh, wow. What are you doing?
The top floor of Wakayama Castle has examples of different type of artifacts that you were found in the castle, as well as this original map which you can see hanging up. I didn't realize the no picture taking signs were there. It wasn't on everything, only on some of it, so sorry about that. And look at that beautiful view.
Uh-oh. wow.
Select most viewpoints. You could see a classic picture of what the view is meant to show outside the castle or outside the viewpoint in case it's a rainy or cloudy day. Luckily this was a perfect day. There's like 3 clouds in the sky and you could see forever to the castle grounds, all of the green area. It's absolutely beautiful here.
This is so horrible idea. Let's go.
It's made of wood.
What's that?
Look at the Wakayama Marina City in Wakayama Shimatsu Port, and the bridge right there. Here you can see the uramoya, or Japanese hip and gable roof of the other rooms in the castle. There are the shachihoko. This animal from Japanese folklore with the head of a tiger and the body of a carp. It was believed that this animal could cause the rain to fall, and as such, temples and castles were often adorned with roof ornaments, shibi, crafted in the form of a shachihoko, in order to protect them from fire. Past the shachihoko you can see the moat, which we also took a boat ride on, which I absolutely recommend you to see. You can see the mountain range that includes Empty Koya, or the center of Shingon Buddhism. These are the Yoshino-Kumano mountain range. This is the view back to Wakayama Station in the main city, and there you can see a Japanese falcon right there flying from the sun. Did you get a chance to see it hang on? I think it comes back here in a second, but it's just a beautiful, beautiful view. I can't get enough of it. I don't know what I expected climbing the castle, but the end of day watching this Japanese falcon, and I'm ready to move in.
Okay.
Where's my room?
Look at that one.